Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel once again. Guys, today in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can play MP3 song into your GTA Vice City game while riding a vehicle. So let's jump into it. Okay, let me show you what interface do you get before adding MP3 song. Here you can see that under MP3 volume boost you can see no MP3 files found, and under radio station you can get KSHAT, Fever, VROC, VCPR and other such, but you don't get any MP3 option right now. So let's start the procedure. Now for this you need to go to your Vice City gaming folder. Like in my case I have here. Okay, and under this folder you need to find the MP3 folder, and as you can see that currently there are no songs added in this folder, so we'll need to add a song here. Let me add Trouble. Okay, so I added this song, and now let's check the interface that we get under GTA Vice City. Okay, audio setup, and under MP3 volume boost you can see that now there is no MP3 files found. Written has been disappeared, and you can see a volume adjuster, and you can see in the radio station even you get an MP3 player option. So this was it, how you can add your MP3 song into GTA Vice City game. Guys, hope that you enjoyed this video and this video helped you. Guys, if this video helped you, then don't forget to drop us a like and subscribe to our channel, and then press on the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new content right here on channel. Thank you guys for watching my video.